I think a few times, that you find them in two compartments, extracellular and intracellular, right? So there is an extracellular fluid that we always abbreviated ECF when we're talking about it. There's an intracellular fluid that we abbreviated ICF, right? Another name for intracellular fluid is what?
Interstitial.
Fluid inside the cell. Cyto what? Almost cytoplasm, cytosol. Cytoplasm would also include all the organelles and everything, right? So cytoplasm is everything in the cell. The water inside the cell is cytosol, right? Extracellular fluid occurs in two compartments. Somebody said one of them before. Interstitial fluid, which is outside of all cells in the body, right here. And then blood plasma, which is the fluid component of blood inside vessels. So these are our 1, 2, 3 different compartments within which we can find water. And of course that water is never pure water, it's got solutes dissolved in it, right? So that's what we're looking at for those. Which one has the most fluid? Intracellular, right? I mean, how many cells do you have in your body?
Brazilian.
Right, exactly. A whole bunch, right? 1 to 2 trillion, something like that. And each one of them is full of water, so you have that. And then interstitial fluid and blood plasma only account really for about 1/3 of all of the fluid. So here you can see our 3 compartments. Here is our cytosol inside of cells. Here is our interstitial fluid outside of cells there. And here is our blood plasma inside of cells. Now if you'll notice, all of these things can exchange water with each other, right? We can have the exchange of water that way. We can have the exchange of water this way. Okay. So you could have water come out of the blood into the interstitial fluid and then into cells. Or vice versa, right? We could have something from the cell come out into the interstitial fluid and into the blood. So these different compartments, we have to cross cell membranes to get into these compartments. You have to cross the cell membrane here. You have to cross the cell membrane here, unless you're entering the blood through those filtration slits, which in case that's not going to be a cell membrane. But if you're entering it through the cell membrane of a squamous cell or something like that, you've got all these different compartments to pass through. Is that okay?